Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we discussed about Houston Maritime Attorney. So firstly we go on Google. When we go on Google, we searched about Houston Maritime Attorney. Houston, Houston Maritime Attorney. Maritime, Maritime Attorney. 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 When we search about Houston Maritime Attorney, we saw many kind of website named as offshore injury uh, trial attorney, and there is the Christ law firm, and there is pitoniaclaw.com and SG injury attorney. We go on Patrick Daniel law. When we go on Patrick Daniel law, we saw this type of interface. Website is loading. uh, Houston Maritime Injury Law. Houston Maritime Injury Law lawyers serving surrounding areas of Texas at Patrick Daniel Law over Houston Martin lawyer are well equipped to handle difficult maritime injury cases that Houston Maritime Law found too complex. Maritime injury law, also known as admiralty law, has a lot of quirks and inconsistencies. It takes an experienced maritime injury attorney to be able to see inconsistencies. We find them every case that makes it is over Houston law office. Houston maritime workers are at disadvantage in some maritime cases. In other maritime injury cases, they have some advantage in their favor, but only a skilled Houston maritime attorney will be able to figure it all out. So whether you are in Houston, Harris County, Pasadena, Baton, or outlying suburbs, if you have been injured at sea and area, indeed of Houston Maritime Injury Attorney Patrick Daniel Law, contact Patrick Daniel is an among Houston maritime attorney gaining the distinction through 20 years of maritime law in Houston, Texas, and around the Gulf Coast. Patrick Daniel has argued maritime injury cases from both sides and has extensive experiences not only in the way of Houston maritime law cases proceed, but also in the work that goes on at sea by employees of hundreds of Houston maritime companies. Here is a short list of the type of Houston maritime injury cases has handled in both Texas and elsewhere. Jacob rig accident, deck accident, tugboat accident, oil platform accidents, barge accident, commercial fishing accidents, cargo ship accidents, shipyard accident. If you sustained, if you sustained a maritime injury in Houston similar to the above, he would like a free consultation with Houston Maritime lawyer to find out more about Houston Maritime law services. If you want to service from Houston Maritime attorney of Patrick Daniel from Patrick Daniels, you can contact on this. Houston Maritime Law. Houston is much more than oil and aerospace. A recent study showed that Houston, TX, is the number two city in the country of job connected maritime through to the moving cargo between U.S. port. Only nearby New Orleans has more workers in the maritime industry. When you add up to workers from all Texas ports, it puts Texas on the number three states in the U.S. in cargo transportation between America ports. If you want to learn about complete, so you can learn about this. I hope so. You learn about Houston Maritime Attorney, and we thank you for watching our video. Will be back in next video.